Hello guys, welcome back to Johnson Juice Food Review. Today we're tasting these little chip things.
These are, what are these? Biscuit sticks?
Yes, we found these in a shop and it was in the England aisle. So we're gonna taste some England food even though we're from America.
These are from Thailand.
Oh.
We looked in the English aisle and there wasn't really anything good from England for us to try. So it's not even clear that these are all 4 different flavors, but the packages look different. Jossie, where are the other 2? So we've got a biscuit stick, bacon and cheese. That one has a flavor. Maybe we'll save that one for last. This one is the nori seaweed flavor. This one is original flavor. We should start with that.
Yes, let's start.
And this one is seasoned. And you can see, I don't even know what all those things are in that picture. So let's start with the original biscuit stick. Let's show the camera. These remind me of those little potato stick things.
Yeah. It tastes like sweet potato. No. No.
There's something just like a little bit sweet
It's a little bit sweet potato.
and not salty enough.
No.
Not a fan.
Yeah.
This is, what do we have here? Seasoned. This one has garlic, tapioca starch, salt, fish sauce,
Fish sauce.
MSG.
MSG. That's her name, Emmett.
No, MSG. Monosodium glutamate. Wait, let me see. They look exactly the same as the last ones. And, okay, they are very slightly flavored. I still don't think I like them.
No, spicy.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not.
This is spicy.
Yeah, you get a little bit of fish sauce at the end. Those remind me a tiny bit of like the
These are
crackers.
the worst.
Here we have the seaweed ones.
There we go.
This is not going to be our
I
best.
just want to try them. See, they look. This is the one that has the fish sauce, and this is the seaweed.
You see tiny flecks of seaweed. These don't really.
It's okay.
They don't really taste very different, even with the tiny flecks of seaweed. I'm glad these things weren't expensive. Okay, very last one. We have bacon and cheese flavored. Maybe these are good.
Yeah, these are definitely bacon.
I don't know about definitely.
They are definitely bacon.
No.
It tastes like bacon and cheese.
What one?
No, it doesn't.
What one spicy?
None of them are spicy. None of them are good either.
That one's spicy.
This is one of my least favorite Asian snacks I have tried. Okay,
I know my
I can see
favorite.
where that's like a pretend bacon cheese flavor. Here, wait, we gotta show them the picture of the bacon cheese things. Look at that. You like that one, Jossie?
Yeah.
I mean, was there one that you like?
There's 2 flavors I like.
I like that one.
That's my
The
favorite
seaweed one?
also. I mean, let's share. I love that flavor.
Okay, hopefully we'll start making some more videos again. I know that it's been a while.
Yeah.
Getting settled and getting the year started. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Awesome.